Hello and welcome to my e-estate video. In today's video, I want to quickly explain what is a token, which is in bracket ETK. This is the symbol that is being used in e-estate. So if you have been in e-estate for a long time now and you don't understand what e-token means, this video will explain everything to you, and by the end of this video you should be able to know what this e-token means and how you can earn it. Okay, so I am going to quickly share these quick slides with you guys to explain what that is. So one of my platform tutorials for e-estate, what is ETK, which is e-tokens as we know already from the platform. All right, so ETK or e-token is used internally in e-estate platform as a reward token for its members. The e-tokens can only be redeemed or exchanged within the platform for cash prizes or other benefits. Now, how to earn ETK? For you to earn ETK, you have to be eligible, and you must be a registered member of e-estate and purchase a fraction of a real estate or property before you will be entitled to earn ETK. Now, how do you earn ETK? Number one, you will earn ETK automatically via your client's registration and real estate purchase. If you become a digital real estate agent, you will be able to earn ETK automatically based on the number of people that have registered and how much profit and how much real estate they have purchased. Number two, you will be able to earn ETK just by logging into your account daily and claiming your ETK rewards from your back office. Number three, you can also earn ETK by purchasing multiple fractional properties or real estates. Number four, you can earn ETK by making withdrawals from the asset balance to your e-wallet. Number five, you can earn ETK by receiving profit from your asset balance. So a lot of choices, okay, different ways for you to earn your ETK in e-estate. Now, once you have earned your ETK, how do you redeem it? How do you redeem your ETK after earning your ETK? So now, the ETK tokens can be redeemed via money wheel, which can be accessed through your reward tab in your back office. Don't worry, I'm going to show you this. Okay, I'm going to go to my back office and show you how to do all of this. Okay, by spinning the money wheel, you stand a chance of winning an instant cash prize that can be claimed to your e-wallet. Once your cash prize appears on your e-wallet, you can either cash it out or withdraw it to your private wallet. You can also use your cash prize to purchase more real estate or properties. The choice is entirely yours, guys, right? So this is different ways of redeeming your e-tokens and what you stand to benefit. So now, I spoke about the money wheel, that you can redeem your e-token via money wheel. Now let's talk about money wheel. This is the only avenue within the e-estate that you will be able to redeem your e-tokens. Okay, and you can access the reward tab in your back office, and then once you are in your reward tab, you will be able to spin the money wheel, and then when you spin the money wheel, you stand a chance of winning an instant cash prize that can be claimed to your e-wallet. Once your cash prize appears on your e-wallet, you can either cash it out or withdraw it to your private wallet. So now, this is the money wheel. This is how to redeem your ETK. The minimum ETK required to spin the wheel is 100 ETK. You must have 100 ETK for you to be able to spin this wheel in your back office. And you stand a chance of winning between 5 cents to $1,000, as you can see from the screen now. So let us visit my back office. Let me do a quick demo for you so that you will actually know how to spin the wheel and how to earn between 5 cents to $1,000. So this is my back office, and as you can see, this is the money wheel. You can access the money wheel via your rewards here. Okay, this is your reward tab. So once you log in, remember, you cannot get your ETK unless you have registered and you have purchased a property, okay, fraction of that property or real estate. Once that is done, come to your rewards and then click on money wheel. So you have two options here. You have the achievement sub tab, and then you have the money wheel sub tab. So select the money wheel. Once you select the money wheel, this page will open for you and it will tell you the total ETK that you have at the moment. Okay, so as you can see, I have over 4,000 ETK in my total balance that is available. So what I can then do is to click this spin wheel, and then once you click that button, you will spin, and if you are lucky enough, you may win just 1,000. And this is on my right hand side there. This is where you log in on a daily basis. Okay, if you were listening to when I was presenting, when I told you, I showed you how to earn different ways to earn your ETK. So when you log in into your account on a daily basis, you can claim and collect your ETK. All of that will be added to your total balance, and then once you reach up to 100, you will be able to spin the wheel. So I am going to spin the wheel just now. There you go. And then the wheel will spin, and then you see that I've just won $1.05, and I can add this to my e-wallet. So once I hit that button, add to e-wallet, it will be added to my e-wallet. Okay, and you will see that the number of e-tokens that I have just reduced by 100. So every single time you spin, you can spin as many times as you want in a day or within few minutes. It doesn't really matter, as long as you have enough ETK to spin the wheel, minimum 100, you will be able to spin the wheel as many times as you can, and you stand a chance to win $1,000. As you can see, that is the highest you can win from here. So guys, you have seen how to spin the wheel. So this is it. What next? The best thing that I would recommend for you guys that are watching this video is to get registered today, complete your KYC, and then deposit and purchase a fraction of real estate. Remember, the minimum purchase is $10, which is the minimum for you to deposit and start today is $10. You can deposit $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $100,000 or more, depending on how much you can afford and which real estate within the back office that you wish to purchase a fraction of it. And then after that, you will just earn daily and withdraw daily, Monday to Friday. Only 5 days. There is no Saturdays and there is no Sundays. And then no rest of mind. Of course, that is what you need to have, knowing that your purchase is secure and safe in the blockchain, because everything in this platform is done via the blockchain. So that is end of today's tutorials. Thank you and God bless. If you would like to sign up, the link to do so is below this video description. I will see you in my next tutorial video. Thank you.